Actix Web stands out with its use of the actor model for managing state, which is not only efficient, but also adds an extra layer of robustness to your applications. It supports asynchronous programming, making it extremely scalable and capable of handling numerous simultaneous connections without straining the server. After setting up our basic structures, we create specific data structures for handling requests and responses. For instance, the Echo data struct is designed to deserialize JSON data from incoming post requests. This allows us to easily manage data sent by clients and respond accordingly. The Echo function demonstrates how we can receive structured data, process it, and send back a custom response, all while maintaining strong type safety and error handling inherent to Rust. The serialization with Serde is straightforward, ensuring that data sent back to clients is in a clean and predictable format, which is crucial for API reliability. Let's start with the ping endpoint. Notice how quickly the server responds with a pong message. Now moving on to the version endpoint, you can see how it returns metadata about our API, including the current server time. This is particularly useful for debugging and monitoring. Next, we'll test the Echo endpoint with a post request. We'll send a JSON object with a message and observe how our server effectively echoes it back to us. This demonstrates the server's ability to handle incoming data and respond with that same data packaged in our standardized API response format. Middleware in Actix Web provides a powerful way to add common functionalities to your routes, such as logging, authentication, and session management. By integrating middleware, you can ensure that certain checks or operations are performed automatically before a request even reaches your endpoint handler. Error handling in Actix Web is robust and flexible. You can define custom error responses that maintain consistency across your API. Let's look at how errors could be handled gracefully, ensuring that the client receives a helpful response even when things go wrong. Don't forget to check out the official Actix Web documentation for more advanced features and configurations. Experimenting with the code and integrating different features will give you a better understanding of its capabilities and how you might leverage them in your own projects.